The electrical makeup of every property is different. How it's wired, its main service panel, all the details that go into it, how old the house is. It always amazes me when people say they don't do an on-site survey. So let's take a look. In older homes, the electrical is usually shoved somewhere in a basement closet. You gotta look for all the other pieces that go into it. So let's see what we can uncover down here. You typically want to ask the homeowner to move their crap before you get to the house. Some people won't even touch it unless it's moved, but we got access to the panel here. So let's take a look inside. We want to see if there's any open spaces, how the capacity is for the solar array. Got some extra spots here. We're going to also take this off and take some pictures of it. Start taking it off and get some photos. So a lot of time the homeowner might not even know their electrical layout. So we're going to start guessing where the other sub panels are located and see if there are other spots for the system and what the electrical makeup can be. So I'm going to start here. Okay, so it looks like we've got another one right there. Does look like some wires are leading out to other places. And this one clearly doesn't have any room. So we'll want to take that off and get some information about this electrical system. I mean, you can look at, this is pretty typical of old houses. That is a giant mess of an electrical system. So we're going to want to figure out how to wire in here. We're not going to want to go near this necessarily, but let's continue to get the layout of the house. So we've mapped the electrical inside the house. We've seen that they've got one main service panel, two sub panels, I think. Let's go outside and look for the meter. Oh, damn, it started raining. That's not good when all you have is a piece of paper and all of my drawings are now going to get completely soaked and not legible. My handwriting already isn't that good. All right, so we're seeing here some old wiring. It looks like cable wires. This is not a good sign for the quality of the wiring. This is an interesting way to run wires on a property. Okay, looks like we've got the meter here. All right, looks like a fairly new meter, although an old box. You can see above, this is where interconnection is going to occur. Okay. All right, so we've got a good sense for the property. Luckily, the meter goes right towards where the main service panel is. We'll figure it out. So a couple takeaways from doing that survey. First, you got to go on site. Every house is going to be different. It's important to get all the information you need so your installers are prepared, so you don't have a re-permitting, so you know what to expect from any hardware upgrades. Second, every electrical system is probably going to be different, unless it's new construction. It's important to figure out what's going on in the main service panel. Are there sub panels? Is it old wiring? And prepare for what could happen if you need to upgrade the electrical system. And third, I recommend ditching these. Using paper and pen for a survey is not ideal. Sure, draw a quick picture, but there are a lot of great apps out there where you can digitize everything and centralize all of the images, take notes, map out a system, do a good layout. Scanify's got a great mobile app. There are other ones out there too. I recommend looking into them. All right, good luck on your next electrical survey.